Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video we will learn how to add Visa card balance to your Amazon account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now go to the search tab and type amazon.com and press enter. Now make sure that you have already logged into your Amazon account. With this, you will directly land on the homepage of Amazon. Now from the homepage, on the right top, you'd get to see here account and list. From account and list, select account and click on it. Now from here, you can see your accounts. So from the given options right here, click on gift cards. Now you can see here that my gift card balance is currently 0. So to reload my balance, all I need to do is click on reload your balance button right here. Once you reload your Visa card on your Amazon account, then you will be able to purchase your products on Amazon using it. So let's say that I'm reloading $30 from my Visa card. Enter the amount right here on the right side. And after you do this, click on buy now button. Now on the next page, you would get to see here this payment method. So look at add a credit or debit card and click on it. Now to add your card, enter the credentials here, like your Visa card number. And after that, on the next step, that's written name on card. Here, enter the name on your Visa card, your first name and last name. So enter it right here. And after that, from the drop down option, select the expiration date. On the last box, enter your security code or CVV or VCV, which is located at the back of your Visa card. Likewise, you can see here at the picture as well. So these are the 3 digits. So after you provide all the credentials, all you need to do is click on add your card button right here. And with this, your Visa card will be added to your Amazon account and you could use the amount to purchase any products on Amazon. So this was it for today, guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.